What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezie, and we have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Binf Human Hair, for sending me this 24-inch straight full lace wig. And I'm installing it on one of my best friends, Miriam, so make sure y'all follow her on Instagram right now. First, I'm going to take a cotton swab with Sea Breeze and disinfect the area and remove any makeup. Then spray the application area with spritz. Alright, let's try to fit this wig on and cut the excess lace off. So today I'm using Taylor Crown's medium brown lace tint to tint her lace. After I tint the entire lace, then I'm going to dry it with a blow dryer. Now I'm going to take an eyeliner and just trace the shape of the frontal. Alright, y'all ready to glue? Let's get it. So I'm applying the glue straight out the bottle. I'm not touching the line that I drew with the eyeliner, and I'm not getting it on or even close to her edges. Now, the only location the glue may touch your hair is your sideburns. But, I mean, them is cool. Just make sure you remove the glue safely and use oil. Now allow the glue to dry clear. Alright, when applying the lace, be very careful. Now let's take our scissors and cut the excess lace off. Now we can take some more Sea Breeze and erase the eyeliner. Now I'm going to take my foam, apply it to the hair, and comb it through to get ready for her style. And baby, we're going with a bad bitch middle part. And you already know she needed the baby hair. But before I cut the baby hair, I'm going to pluck her middle part to make it more defined. And when I bleached her knots, it kind of went through the lace, so I'm taking some black dye and going over it. Now I'm going to cut the baby hair 1 inch all around. So I kind of been on a new wave. I've been on the Gorilla Snot for the edges instead of the Tropical Roots setting foam. Not that I don't like it, just because, I don't know, I'm just trying something new. But as you would imagine, Gorilla Snot really holds the baby hair in place like 10 times longer. The only downfall is setting foam rarely ever has a product buildup, and gel, Kind of known for product buildup, but it's not that bad. And of course I'm using my comb and smooth method to do this. Comb with my right hand and smooth with my left. Now I can take my Sea Breeze and clean off all that excess gel. Now I'm gonna let her sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. Okay, Florrie. Honey, that's a bad bitch middle part, bad bitch press. Ooh, I got my hair from Binf. I love this. Look at it. My finger's going straight through. It's so soft. Yes, it's not shedding or none of that. Texture is really good because I done had some hair that's like, but this is really good. Like, you see it? Look at that. Bone straight.